Are you ready to take your everyday life to the next level? Experience the ultimate and hands-free productivity with NREAL Air AR Glasses. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities of augmented reality. Are you ready to take your everyday life to the next level? Well, the NREAL Air AR Glasses make augmented reality accessible for everyone, combining quality and convenience to offer a fully immersive experience. From adjustable headbands for comfort to noise-canceling audio to built-in gesture-based controls, these glasses are ready to open up a world of possibility. And with such an affordable price tag, these glasses are perfect for gamers or workaholics looking to experience the ultimate and hands-free productivity. So join us today on this exciting journey and exploring the endless possibilities of augmented reality with NREAL Air AR Glasses. Subscribe to MetaGen now and keep watching to learn more about how the NREAL Air AR Glasses can take your everyday life to the next level. With the endless possibilities of augmented reality at your fingertips, you don't want to miss out on this exciting journey. The NREAL Air AR Glasses are not only stylish and provide an amazing augmented reality experience, they also come with some great features. For example, they have built-in speakers so you don't need to carry around headphones. The adjustable headband means you can wear them comfortably for hours, and you don't need to worry about charging them. All you need are the batteries that come with every box. Overall, it looks like wearing the NREAL Air AR Glasses will be an awesome way to explore new virtual experiences and tasks in your everyday life. How will this revolutionary technology change the way we look at our surroundings? Setting up the NREAL Air AR Glasses was a breeze. All we had to do was plug in the USB-C cable to the adapter and then to the goggles. Then we just followed the instructions in the user manual and we were ready to explore augmented reality. It's amazing how quickly this technology has become available. Who knows what we'll be able to do with it in the future? The NREAL Air AR Glasses are an awesome way to experience augmented reality. The adjustable headband makes them comfortable to wear and they stay secure when you move around. No slipping or moving during our testing sessions. Some people may be aware of a bit of strain on their face after wearing them for a while, so that's something you need to keep in mind. But overall, you can wear them for several hours without any discomfort. It's amazing how quickly technology has advanced. Augmented reality headsets used to only be seen in sci-fi movies, but now we can get them right at home. What other ways could this revolutionary tech make our lives easier? What do you think? Leave a comment below to answer the question. The NREAL Air AR Glasses offer great picture and sound quality, perfect for your augmented reality needs. We tested the durability of this headset by viewing images from different distances, and we were impressed with the results no matter the distance. The visibility was always clear. Plus, they have built-in noise cancellation technology that effectively blocks out any external noises when you're using them. Overall, you can trust these amazing goggles to provide an immersive experience without compromising audio quality or visual quality, something that many other AR headsets fail to do. But because of this amazing performance, are they able to last long term? How does the current reliability factor into future success with augmented reality in our lives? The NREAL Air AR Glasses offer some amazing applications for you to take advantage of. From navigation to location tracking, from gaming and entertainment, you can do it all with these impressive goggles. We've tested out a few of the big name games available on the platform, like the Angry Birds AR and Temple Run VR. The gameplay was smooth and the graphics were clear, even when we were a good distance away from the glasses. In terms of practical utility that apply even more to everyday life, like hands-free productivity or learning experiences, we were also really impressed with what this headset could do. Navigation was easy to understand no matter where we were. Tasks became simpler when they didn't require physical interaction like typing away on your phone's tiny keyboard. Instead, just using voice commands is much faster than ever before. Augmented reality technology has already done so much for us, so what could it do for us in the future? The possibilities seem endless. The NREAL Air AR Glasses are designed to be easy to use. After putting in the battery, just put them on your head and you're ready to explore. Navigation is simple because of visual cues, just follow a dot or an arrow. Most apps come with helpful tutorials so you can get started quickly without any confusion. Plus, gesture recognition allows you to interact naturally, making multitasking while wearing the glasses a breeze. Comfort is also important when it comes to ease of use. The goggles have adjustable straps for different face sizes and they're lightweight so you don't get tired after you wear them for a long time. The curved lenses reduce distortion along your peripherals, making for a more enjoyable experience. This makes the glasses much more than bulky traditional devices like laptops. So, the NREAL Air AR Glasses offer a lot of potential when it comes to ease of use, but could businesses use them on a large scale? How could augmented reality technology become commonplace if everyone had access, regardless of their technical skill or knowledge? What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments down below. What about gaming with these glasses? The NREAL AIR AR Glasses offer a unique gaming experience that allows users to immerse themselves in virtual worlds. The glasses are compatible with various gaming applications, including some popular games like Angry Birds and Temple Run. The games are controlled using hand gestures, providing an interactive experience that adds to the fun. While the glasses do not offer a wide range of games as the some dedicated platforms, the experience is still enjoyable. Overall, the gaming experience on the NREAL AIR AR Glasses is impressive and worth trying out for any gaming enthusiast looking for a new way to experience their favorite games. The NREAL AIR AR Glasses offer great ease of use and awesome augmented reality experiences. With gesture-based controls that are easy to learn, you can quickly get the hang of using them for gaming and hands-free productivity tasks. We've had a few minor issues connecting our devices, but we've been able to sort them out quickly. The battery life could be better for longer activities like extended learning sessions or day trips away from home. Despite this, after 2 months of testing the possibilities of this cutting-edge technology, it's no wonder why so many people choose NREAL AIR AR Glasses over other models. How will augmented reality make everyday life easier in the future? The NREAL AIR AR Glasses offer a lot of features compared to the other models on the market. With an adjustable headband, they're comfortable to wear, and the lightweight design prevents fatigue from prolonged use. Gesture-based controls also mean interacting with augmented reality apps smooth and natural. No more fiddling around on your phone's tiny keyboard. The picture quality is great as well. Images are clear, no matter how far away we tested it, something that traditional headsets can't even claim. Not only this, but noise cancellation technology effectively blocks out external sounds when playing games or viewing augmented reality experiences. After 2 months of testing these revolutionary goggles, we believe in what other virtual aspirations could be possible if given enough room for creativity. What will others create when equipped with an immersive optics experience like never before? Comparing all the different versions available now gives way too much potential for growth, so which model should you choose for yourself? The NREAL AIR Glasses offer a great selection of features that make the augmented reality experience more enjoyable. With other AR headsets may having more advanced technologies, they usually come with a bigger price tag and require more setup time, but with the NREAL AIR you get an impressive field of view and a lightweight design without breaking the bank. Overall, these glasses are definitely worth considering when it comes to deciding which type of headset is best for our needs. The combination of quality and ease of use makes them a strong contender against all the other options available on the market today. It looks like we can be sure that wearing any version of this tech will help us explore new aspects in virtual reality experiences without breaking the bank. But at what point does too much technology become detrimental, both financially speaking, since some devices require higher fixed costs, or regarding comfort if multiple features increase head strain? How do businesses decide which set is right for each application? The NREAL AIR AR Glasses offer an amazing augmented reality experience with some great features. They're stylish, comfortable to wear, and have built-in speakers so you don't need to carry around headphones. They also come with adjustable headbands and batteries so you don't need to worry about charging them. And after 2 months of testing these revolutionary goggles, we believe in what virtual aspirations could be possible if given enough room for creativity. The combination of quality and ease of use makes them a strong contender against all the other options available on the market today, and we can be sure that wearing any version of this tech will help you explore new aspects and virtual reality experiences without having to break the bank. Are you ready to experience the amazing world of virtual reality? Games you have to play on any VR headset is your guide to the best games available for any headset. Don't miss out on this incredible gaming opportunity that virtual reality has to offer. Watch the video now to learn more.